My name is Rahul Ranjan. I'm an entrepreneur. I started my career like many other IT programmers do with a company called Cognizant. This was 2007, and then I went on to teach in a low income school and a government school for 2 years. Full time teacher as 2 years, and then after that, I've always been an entrepreneur. This is my third startup. Uh, I'm still, I won't call myself a successful entrepreneur. I think I'm still in a place where I'm searching success. But I think failures are great teachers. So, would love to share some of my failures. Starting this video series because I think my failures can be low cost wisdom for others. Wisdom of hindsight is always easy, is always uh, cheap and less expensive if it is gained from others. So that's the hope. That's what I'm trying to achieve out of these videos. So first conversation would obviously center around COVID-19 and what it has done to you. If you are, and this is mostly centered around entrepreneurs or people who are just starting off. FYI, my current company, I set up the company in November. The business went live in January, and today we are in the month of April. It's been a roller coaster. We started our business with a bang. We did about $45,000 in just 2 months, which would roughly be about 32 lakh rupees of revenue in 2 months, and that was brilliant. And then March came in. All the projections that we had would actually have meant that we would have broken even. We would have become profitable by April. We've done incredible work. The whole team had worked really hard. We'd done multiple demos, and it was great. But this happened. Now, what was the first reaction? The first reaction was of shock. Obviously, we're not prepared for this. A large part of our business, I would say 90% of our business, was brick and mortar. We were then piloting with online classes. Although the global DNA of the company that my India company is part of is 90% online classes. But in India, we were still piloting with online classes. We had started doing the pilots sometime around first week of Feb, but we were very clear that we'll not do online till July. But this happened. So first reaction was obviously for shock. We were not very sure what will happen, but I think if you're one of those entrepreneurs who had started seeing this in future that this would happen, ऐसा हो सकता है कि शायद आपका business impact होगा, because I think COVID के cases इंडिया में आना शुरू हो गए थे first week of March से. I fortunately was one of those people. My team had given me a quick update कि boss, let's think about this. So I was one of the lucky ones who had enough time to prepare, had done my prep around that, and so where we are, we basically first went back to every customer whom we had touched base with in last 3 months, which is December, Jan, and Feb, and reached out to them saying that thank you for being our customers, thank you for being with us for these 3 months. Would you like to switch to our online solution? That gave us a quick 50-60 customer base, right? That was quick. So that's the first thing that I would like to tell you. If you already had a brick and mortar business, and it's true for education business, mostly for education business, it would be true for consulting business, it would be true for business where you are probably selling services. Go back to your existing customers rather than trying to find new customers. Go back to your existing ones. Tell them how have you ensured that the quality of service does not really change at all from what you were offering earlier to what you're going to offer online. But before you commit that to your customers, please ensure that you have done your homework. You have figured out that that your services or your product that you're offering, it's the same product, the product quality is the same. उसमें कोई गलती की गुंजाइश नहीं है. Because remember, आप उसको कस्टमर को डिस्काउंट नहीं देने वाले हो, एंड विल टच अपॉन द डिस्काउंट बिट. बट आप कस्टमर को कह रहे हो कि वही सर्विस है, सर्विस में कोई अलग कुछ नहीं है, तो उसकी तैयारी करनी बहुत ज़रूरी है. प्लीज़ बी वेरी प्रिपेयर्ड ऑफ विथ वॉट यू आर गोना ऑफर. सो आई विल एंड दिस वीडियो हियर. First outcome I would say would be, if you are running an offline business, possibly a services business, and if you're shifting it online, go to your customers, existing customers whom you had touched base with, or there might be cases where the existing customer had moved out because of location issues. Go back to them saying that we are online. Before you go there, please ensure that you understand and you have figured out your product really well, right? I would come back with a series of these videos. The next video would be how to reach out to new customers, and we'll talk about very simple hacks of reaching out to your new customers without spending or without burning cash. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot for watching this. Stay safe, stay blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.